Hi Smallings, I am Berkay from Visby. Visby is the most complete AI visibility tool. You can analyze, monitor, and improve your brand's visibility at ChatGPT, Gemini, and Cloud. Also more to come. At AppSumo, we have a great deal for you. Let's check Visby now. Visby analyzes your domain and your scores as SEO, geo, content match, search score, review score, and page speed. These metrics are really important to understand how visible you are. And you need to perform your actionable insights and tasks that created by Visby. You can analyze your traffic coming from AI. Visby track funnel-based prompts among most common LLMs. From awareness to conversion, you can track and analyze different prompts. Also, Visby will track your funnel stages, how visible you are in different parts of the funnel. You can check your competitors, you can see your top performing keywords and give your reviews. But most important, let's go deep inside. Prompt is the most important topic in this new AI answer area. So let's check your prompts in details. You can see how Gemini, Cloud, and ChatGPT answer to users' prompts. And you can analyze these answers, which citations are visible or which brands are visible with you. In different funnel stages, we will give you more information. In middle of the funnel, which creates interest in persona, which citations are visible there, or which brands with you are visible. So you can take more actions in every stage of the funnel. Also competition. You can check your competition, their share of voice, their share of funnel, and how visible they are. Or you can add more competitors to your board. Reporting is another property of Visby, and you can integrate with your Google Analytics, your Search Console, and Bing. You can make some cross analysis here, and we are giving more details like traffic from Gemini and their engagement time and also revenue. Also the sources. So when you click to ChatGPT, you see which page getting traffic from ChatGPT. Reviews are really important. Most of the LLMs are checking your reviews and answer consumers with them. So you can check your reviews and get actions. But most important, you need to be more visible so you can improve with all detailed tasks. You will have a Kanban board, and in this Kanban board, you can check your tasks and perform them with your team easily. Also, content is another pillar. So, Visby analyzes your sitemap, find out your gaps, and recommend you some contents. So, this content will increase your domain authority. So, this is not all. New features are on the way. Check our roadmap and try Visby. We have a great deal for you. Thanks for your support.
Hi, welcome to Visby AI. With this short session, I will show you how to set up your dashboard. It's going to be a pretty easy one. Let's go ahead and start. First, enter your website domain. Visby will scan your website. It will learn about your brand, products, and your services. Next, Visby creates your brand book. This is a profile of your business. Review it carefully. If it looks good, you can click continue. Now, Visby creates sample prompts for you. These prompts are questions that your customers might ask. They ask these questions to AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and others. you will see prompts in 3 different groups. Top of funnel questions are early questions. Middle of funnel prompts are for comparison questions. Bottom of funnel prompts are for decision questions. Review these prompts carefully. This is a really important task. Visby will track your business brand using these prompts. Think about your customers. What questions would they ask? You can edit the prompts. You can also add new prompts. Make them realistic. Make them sound natural. Better prompts will give you better results. When you're ready, click Submit. Visby will test all your prompts. It will test them on all language models. Done. Your dashboard is ready. You can see your visibility score. You can see how AI tools talk about your brand. You can get tasks to improve your visibility. Ready to start? Let's set your dashboard now. Welcome to Visby AI. Once you log in, the first thing you'll see is your dashboard. And this is your command center. Let me walk you through what everything means. At the top, you have your key scores. SEO score shows how well your website is optimized for traditional search. GEO score, that's generative engine optimization, shows how ready your site is to appear in AI-generated responses. Both matter today. Below that, you can see your SERP score, which tracks your position in Google search results. Your review score reflects what people are saying about you online, and page speed shows how fast your site loads, which affects both SEO and user experience. This one over here is really important. Content match tells you whether your website content aligns with what AI models are looking for. If it says no content match, that's something you want to fix, and Visby will give you tasks for that. On the right side, you'll see your tasks overview. Right now, there are 32 total tasks, 24 pending, 2 in progress, and 3 already done. These are specific actions Visby has prepared for you to improve all those scores. Scroll down and you'll see your traffic breakdown. This shows how many visitors are coming to your website and where they're coming from. Organic traffic, but also directly from AI platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity. This is traffic that most analytics tools don't even track. Further down, you'll see your funnel and prompt summary. This shows how visible your brand is across the customer journey. And below that, your top keywords, competitor mentions, and brand reviews pulled from AI responses. So the dashboard gives you a complete picture of where you stand. From here, you can dive into any section to get more details.